you a Potterhead? Do you also love watching the Harry Potter movies? If yes, then this video is going to make you sad. Recently, Russian missiles have destroyed the famous Harry Potter castle situated in Ukraine's port city of Odessa. The attack has also claimed the lives of 5 people and a dog and has injured other 28 people. What's the entire matter? Let's understand. This Gothic style building is actually a mansion of Ukrainian politician Serhiy Kevalov, who has also been injured in the attack. He also runs a private law academy in this castle. Russia invaded its neighbor Ukraine on 24th February 2022 and it has been more than 2 years. After the fall of Soviet Union in 1991, Ukraine became an independent nation. It is the second largest European country by area. Now in 2008, Russian President Vladimir Putin opposed Ukraine's wish to join the NATO, a military alliance between European and North American nations, saying Ukraine is not even a real nation state. In 2014, backed by Russia, Donetsk and Luhansk, situated in eastern Ukrainian territory of Donbas, broke away from Ukraine. Russian President Putin officially recognized these breakaway regions and ordered so-called peacekeeping troops in the area. The Russian invasion began in this very territory of Donbas and later spread to the entire Ukraine in 2022. Now, as I mentioned NATO earlier, another important reason behind the Russian invasion is that it does not want Ukraine to join forces with NATO, a Western-backed alliance. But according to the experts, the ongoing invasion can ultimately be seen as Putin's dream of uniting what was once the mighty Soviet Union. Now, there's no doubt that both Russia and Ukraine have seen alarmingly high levels of casualties and property damages. Calls to end the war have been coming not just from around the world but Russia itself. Let us know your thoughts about the Harry Potter castle engulfed in flames and also the Russia-Ukraine war at large. For more such informative videos, do subscribe to Jagran English.